Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Jeremy, and today I want to tell you the story of Achan. A lie of the devil is my sin only affects me. Achan is proof that our actions can have unexpected and far-reaching consequences. In Joshua chapter 6, the Lord tells the people of Israel to not take anything from the people that are being conquered. The mission was to take the promised land. This was a spiritual journey, and it shouldn't be soiled by petty looting. Unfortunately, Achan couldn't overcome his greed, and he loots a robe, 5 pounds of silver, and some gold. That decision would have absolutely disastrous results for Israel. Joshua has no idea that somebody has disobeyed, so he sends out a small detachment of a few thousand soldiers to take a small city. Well, Israel is completely routed. God had removed his hand of blessing off the people of Israel because of Achan's sin. They were now fighting under their own power and no longer under God's power. Sometimes people read this story and they feel really bad for Achan as if he was somehow wronged. Achan's punishment is severe. He's eventually found out, and the Bible tells us he's put to death for his crime. So before jumping on the Achan wasn't so bad bandwagon, keep this in mind. The request to not loot wasn't complicated, and it wasn't unclear. It was a very clear command. His greed cost the lives of 37 men. 37 families lost a husband and a father because he decided to be greedy. The story is sobering. It should remind us that sin isn't harmless. It impacts not only you and me, but the people all around us. I'm so grateful that because of the sacrifice of Jesus, forgiveness is available to me. But don't buy into the lie that your sin only hurts yourself. That has never been true. If you have stuff in your life, take it to Jesus. Repent and change. God is faithful to help us. Get yourself into church. Build relationships with people that can help you follow Jesus and stay on track. I never said that it would be easy, but it's possible, and it's what's best. If Achan had just obeyed God, he would have saved a lot of people, a ton of heartache, and a whole lot of pain. We will never be perfect or sinless. That's not the goal. The goal is to stay connected to Jesus, to let him continue to prune our life. My hope is at the end of my life, I look more like Jesus than when I first surrendered my life to him. Thanks for joining us today on the Daily Devo.